Hey guys, it's Shane here with BrickDriven Realty, and today we're going to talk about a topic about whether or not you should be making repairs to your home prior to putting it on the market. Stay tuned. Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? The short answer is yes. While we're still in a seller's market, the truth is that there aren't as many buyers as there were previously during the peak a few years ago. The good news is that buyers still are looking to purchase a home in this environment and are very serious about that as well. However, due to higher interest rates and home prices, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out from the rest. That's why today I'm sharing 3 things that you can do to your home now to get it in perfect condition before putting it on the market to sell. First, let's talk about having a pre-listing meeting with your agent to discuss the list of things that you need to go over for the repairs that you want to fix. Can be really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money, nor will it bring you a return. So invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you a higher return on that investment. It could be worth it to even pay a pre-inspection before you list it. This way you can find exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before you ever hit the open market. Next, choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into one of two and maintenance. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment. High maintenance repairs take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want good offers from your buyers and to prevent inspection issues. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each. So work with your agent to find the balance that fits your needs most. Third, proper repairs expand your buyer pool. The condition of your home is the most critical factor you can control when selling because it expands your buyer pool, increases the potential offer. In today's market, there are fewer buyers due to the interest rates and higher home prices. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with a property in great condition. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from bigger and better qualified buyers. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war and naturally drive the price up. I always recommend sellers to do repairs before listing, but it's more important in this market than it ever has been before. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give me a call or one of our agents, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business and help you navigate the complexity of selling your home. If you don't mind, in the meantime, please smash that subscribe button, like our video, share it with someone that might could benefit from it, and stay tuned for new content coming in the future. Have a great week.